So now after you open this, we need to find a picture, basically a texture picture. So go into the internet. I'm gonna use this one because it's simple and easy. Save it. And save it, basically I'm gonna save it in the scenes test file because it's easier. Now I'm gonna name the model box 1. Why am I naming it model box 1? Because if you're making a few boxes, box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, or bottles, bottle 1, bottle 2, bottle 3, and so on. That's how I do it. So you save the image. I can close this right now. You go over here after you open that by texture, image, new from file. Now you're gonna open this by default. So what you wanna do is you can copy here, you can copy that into this. It's easier and faster. And basically you can click on paths as well. You're gonna do the same thing. Now I have my box right here. This is my box. Now you click here, unique UV, or you can make it box, cubic. Which this is basically if you make the characters. If you make the characters, let me just one check really quick. Okay, this is basically when you make the characters, when you make the weapons, when you want to make every single line individually move around. Now this is cubic. So what I'm going because cubic is much easier, as you have cylindrical, Softiamge, UV. I'm gonna use cubic in this case, but I'm gonna show you anyway. If you click on this, if you're making a pistol, I'm gonna show you anyway how to move around the lines of the box. So, or maybe I will show you already if you're making something more advanced, let's say a spade or X or something, or a bottle in this case. So I'm gonna click on this instead. If you use cube, then it's cubic box or anything like that, a shelf. So now you cannot see the texture. That's why you have to go here, texture, decal. This is our box. It looks ugly, but we're gonna fix it. We are almost done at this stage. So I recommend for you to minimizing it. Now you hold Alt and 7. After holding Alt and 7, what will come out is this. Now if you select here, or you select here, you click on this, you can move it around. Now I'm not gonna, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna make it really quick, ugly. So you select all of these, you move it away. Now let's say you wanna move these. You select it. By the way, remember it was U button or U on your keyboard. If you forgot. Now if you move it, we're gonna put it one by side. Basically this takes a lot of time. Texturing takes ridiculous amount of time. Now don't worry, if for example you have to stop modeling, or you have to go home or to the work, or sorry, I'm in school, you can always save it as this, save it by texture, save it, which I'm gonna do soon, and then you can reopen it and it's gonna be done. Now if you guys gonna like my videos, I can do more tutorial videos, how to decompile models, which programs I'm using, and so on and so on. Of course guys, because I like seeing new mods coming out and new games coming out, so this is basically why I'm doing this. So now if you hold X, same as here for example, you hold X, you're making it up. So same here. Here, and look, we got our box over here. Now this size currently, which is like that. Now we move it. You move all of these away. The same principle, by the way. Now I'm gonna show you something, because this, yeah, okay, never mind. So basically you're moving it, all of these, you select it, you select all of these, so it's gonna look pretty. Hold shift mouse 1 to click it, remember. This is basically a small tutorial how to use XSI as well. It can be for you newcomers or for people that know how to use the XSI or modeling software, basically how to import or export. So after making your primitive model, check all sides, by the way. It's important. Like, see, I missed one, so it's gonna be harder. Now remember, texturing takes time, so if you do it wrong, do it again. So now I'm gonna, you see these boxes right here, I'm gonna select all of them as I did previously. I'm gonna select all of them and I'm gonna put them right here. For the quick, easy way. So now if you click on here, you can do it quicker way as well. So here we have your model, and basically we're gonna right now, as you can see, try to add like here all of these lines, so it can look pretty and nice. So basically, let me try to do it right here. Oops. Now remember, it takes a lot of time. Or you can as well press I and select the line itself, which I am going to do currently. Like this, and do all the sides the same way. Like that. Or we're gonna make it a little bit uglier for the sake of time. By the way, remember, you click, select, make it bigger, like that. Okay. Like that. And two of these as well. I'm gonna do it really quick, really easy, smoothly. So we have our box ready. This is ready, let's say. So I will not move these. It's done. Your box is finished. You can be proud of yourself. Now what we are going to do, we are going to export it. It's textured. It's ready to be saved, which I'm going to save it. By the way, you're gonna open like this. Add-ons. Always database. Scenes test. Okay? And I'm gonna make it box 1. So I create a model. Now I'm ready to export it. Export. Where is the file? Where is the property? Scene test. Here is the name. Basically, you open where you wanna put it right now. So you have to name it. Box 1. Click OK. Don't play with this. I do not recommend. If you are making in later videos, of course, guys, if you're gonna like it, I can explain how what you are using these for. Skeletal animation, basically you're making animations, vertex animation, and so on. Don't put this. Always model. Okay? Congratulations. You're 70% done at this point. So your model is ready. So what we are going to do now is I am going to show you right now how you texture it, compile it, put it into the game, and write a CQ file. As you can see here, CQ file. Here's this different bases. So let's do this.